Listen.
I really need to transfer that shit. Okay.
Anybody under 5'6" is a la boo boo. You a la boo boos out there?
BB's getting closer.
BB,
He's right there, see?
BB's getting closer. I thought you said BB's getting closer to 5.
We gotta eat something. Oh, we ate Chick-fil-A.
We gotta eat.
We gotta eat, man. Should we make sloppy joe?
No!
Should we make spaghetti?
No! I'm gonna make spaghetti. But no!
Make sloppy jaws.
No! No!
We ain't got no gun.
You need to leave!
I'm gonna go get.
You need to leave!
You finna go get what?
Trash bags.
The big trash bag? You supposed to be using this time to roll up. Now BB back, we gotta fucking take turns now. Like, dang.
Why would you not tell him to come tomorrow?
Because when I walked in, BB was ready to come home today. Nah, he was asleep. But... I really low-key forgot. I should have said that. I gotta bleach that wig. If I bleach a wig today, I could do it tomorrow, and then I could do it on the 31st. Or I could do the other one on the 1st. I don't know, man.
I need a bigger computer desk. My little desk so weak. You should just. I'm gonna bring my stream crew in the basement.
No. It's not happening, boo. Hey.
What's poppin'?
Hey.
Wait, y'all about to stay and babysit?
What?
Yeah.
That was the plan.
No. Why you ain't?
But I mean.
No, we leaving and we taking all shit. We take the Chris car and everything. And we
She had a bag.
Damn, my man, I sent that to your cash app.
man, then she don't. I hope that was the right one. Oh, bitch!
Why y'all need to think?
I forgot I had an old gas app. I'm using my new one.
You got a new one?
I had a new one for like 5-6 months.
Lord. Damn it.
Talking
You ain't tried to email them or nothing?
Yeah, I tried to reverse it, but they like, you don't got enough money in your account, so they just, I think they not down with it. Fuck,
Did you open them there?
I love my Play-Doh.
Oh, they took that.
Yeah, exactly. That's all I was like. It was perfect. So I said,
I
fuck,
don't
she's
know
like,
what this.
Oh.
I'm gonna start back using
Can we have
that.
macaroni with it?
Damn.
What is that?
Is my keys upstairs, BC?
Your keys?
Can I hold it for a second?
No.
They get a car. I mean, my car.
They're right here.
And I got something else.
I'm gonna make a burger.
Get them games, get them games.
Thank you.
Come out here. Come on, Benny.
Look at how satisfying this is.
I gotta come back with this swing. You did that, and then fit in Jane car.
Okay. Keep that over there. I already told you don't bring your toys down here. You just dropping sand everywhere. Hey, baby.
Yeah, I was scared we spoiled his ass. What y'all doing? Cause we ain't have no swing.
Oh, man, prop his ass up on the pillow there.
No for real. No for real.
Prop him up. Okay, wait, where are my keys? Oh, I think you get to go get my keys.
What y'all about to do?
Not a damn thing. Smoke a little bit.
Can we have a party?
I'm crying.
Could we have a party?
All you do is be upstairs for him anyways. Maybe downstairs teeing up. What kind of thing
These
these subs?
subs
Watermelon.
Oh wait, they're right here.
What y'all about to
This card, it do not work when you swipe for some reason, but try it at the ATM because this I forgot how to do it.
Bro, if it's that what's called a card, you gonna get a new one.
What do you think is under here?
Oh, is that the one that's is that the one that be messing up
Is
though?
it your boost line?
Yeah,
Oh, no, your boost line's right
because you know
there.
they do the same day.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, but
Let's see.
literally, just got it.
It's probably a
It's
defect in
Pavlova.
the card. They want you done,
It's
bitches
what?
not to come back.
It's Pavlova.
Oh.
Well, just try it at ATM anyways.
Yeah.
That's what it's
5 Zans, okay.
Let's see.
Interesting.
It feels so satisfying.
Okay.
When kids is here, that's why I be upstairs because I be playing with the kids upstairs.
That makes sense. That makes sense. Y'all making y'all some more
Okay, if it
cookies?
do end up working, Zari, get 100 for babysitting. Whoever else help, divide the rest. And then 3.
They finna hit this bitch. You didn't put it on the damn lock.
Try and get.
Just the two.
So just tell me if the money even worth coming off. Then I will know what to do for going forward.
Okay.
Alright, trash burgers and hamburger. Trash
bags and hamburgers.
Hamburger buns.
Okay, now you supposed to be rolling up.
Are you gonna DoorDash the hamburger buns?
Or clean. Okay.
I can
I'm
go to the
overstimulated as fuck right now. Huh?
I can use your truck
Use my truck for what? When?
to go get your hamburger buns and go to the stove. You go up. He's just Chris.
Yeah.
I can do one. There's one in here.
Hold on, baby. I know that takes anywhere boo boo booty. Boo boo booty.
I was gonna run to the ATM.
Are you coming back?
Yeah, I'm coming back. Church, I said, don't let me forget the gloves.
What do you think's over here? Under here.
Something different?
Probably sand.
No, I think it's a toy.
I think that's sand. That's like
I
a
think
pile
it's
of
a
sand.
fruit under. Yes, that's the poverty stuff. She said it was not poverty. What did you call that?
Pavlova.
Pavlova.
What the hell?
And there's something else under here.
Is it fruit?
Ooh.
That's what I guessed the first time. I like this. Isn't it so soft?
Is that kinetic sand?
It's
Kinetic
so
sand.
I I don't like another.
This is the same thing.
But I like the green canada.
The by the same people that make the Hawaiian rolls.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. But
Tomatoes. Y'all like tomatoes?
burger. We got
She said you making burgers or sloppy joe?
burgers.
Burgers.
Oh, they meant burgers.
Got some
$7.99.
lettuce.
Bro, I was right in front of the camera.
Chat file. They said $7.99 to watch Moomies. Just
Yeah.
about.
Yeah, we need just a tomato.
It was on you. What you moving it for? Dang, you got them exposing us and shit.
Oh yeah, this tomato. Zaza, throw some chop, baby. Nah, don't touch up.
All right, so
Oh yeah.
Someone said I hate twin.
yo,
Zaza ate up all the pickles. Left the jar. So
Baby cursor.
I'm finna put it on. Chris, I'm putting it on you. Cleaning out the fridge. Cause they is just looking at stuff. Okay, so Hawaiian buns,
trash.
tomatoes.
Yup.
That's it.
Oh, pickles.
And pickles.
No.
The sliced ones already
Yeah,
sliced or
the
full?
sliced ones.
Okay.
Dada, look.
I see, girl. What's up?
Why don't you like
No problem. They
Oh,
cleaning
and
out the
some,
refrigerator.
Some butter.
Some butter. Y'all like the sticks or like the blue?
Stick.
Hamburger deal shit. Alright, we back. Come on, y'all. Y'all right over here at the end.
Yeah. Zaza, bring that trash can over here. That's a sticky butt, baby. Sticky butt. Give me a call. What you want to talk to me for, cuz?
Can I ride it with Kaden?
They gone already.
Hold on, they gotta warm up, BB booty.
Yo, what up, cuz?
Hold on, my plate's still in there. That's what I'm thinking.
What happened? Oh, shit. What happened?
And all my ladies, if you feel me, I'll be saying.
What? Oh, for real?
Okay, what did I come over here for?
That's what's up.
What did I
Oh, my plate.
My plate. My plate.
My plate not in there, damn it.
My plate.
It's an apple too.
My plate. My plate. My plate. I'm gonna take all this stuff back
What is it? Eating or
upstairs.
something?
Hi, baby booty.
Mom.
Hi, baby booty.
Oh, yeah. Shit, pull up. Pull up on me. Grab a bottle and pull up. Baby, fuck is you doing? That old ass boy trying to lick that up. You got work in the morning?
Who you think, man?
Right.
Who you a funky man?
Shizzle. Oh, straight up. What was the name of the stuff you doing? gotta double check it too, because it might be this one shit that is scary, I guess. But we're gonna do our research for sure tomorrow. Yeah, make sure you just pull up like right after work or something, bro. Don't knock that shit up. Girls.
Can we please have a party, Mama?
Who you gonna invite? Invite us.
I'm gone.
Trip. Trip. Two daughters. Carter.
Jessica, how you gonna invite all of your brother friends?
I only invited one of my brother's friends. 2 girls and 1 boy. And the boy who got the wrong response.
Oh, and we got macaroni salad.
And Dada, can I invite the boy who lives at the house is down and bring their kids?
Down there?
Uh-huh. And I'm inviting Darius, Mimi. The boy
Darius
who-
and Mimi?
Uh-huh. Darius and Mimi. The boy who lives at the house is down, bring their kids. And
It's still heating up, baby. But you gonna nice and warm, baby? You was tearing yourself up, wouldn't you? You gotta get your nails clipped, baby. I could have sworn I put that one bag in here. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, right here. Boom. Let's clip your nails, baby, away.
wait, clip them.
Yeah.
You're gonna clip them like that?
You got all those scratches. You keep scratching yourself. All right, you ready, baby? Give me those nails, baby. Give me those nails. I'm gonna wait till you drink your bottles and get distracted.
What else is in there?
He's going through his bag. A brush, a comb, some tweezers.
What is that pink
scissors.
thing?
Those are sticks. Don't be touching this stuff, little girl.
Oh, well, why is there a lot of pink in here?
Dude, quit being fucking nasty, bro. Fuck is wrong with you, bro?
No! Pavlova.
Is that light done flashing yet?
No.
Okay.
Hey, everybody.
And I only invited 5 people.
Okay.
And
How long this shit supposed to take, man?
do you got any more friends?
Germ.
Germ Slim. TT.
TT. Nah, TT need a break from hard yet.
Hey, you messed
Sorry, pretty lady. God, damn, that shit heavy now. Hey, fathead boy. Hey, y'all. It's so big now.
Yay!
Oh, baby.
There's still some pop in the refrigerator. There's still pop in the refrigerator. Daddy, can I have this? Can I have this?
No, you're not, because
Please. Please, Dada. Can I please please have it right now?
No, Zaza.
Please. I beg you! I beg you to the Lord of Jesus.
Oh shit.
I beg you to.
Zaza, you want another bite of this cracker? If I throw it away? That's pretty good.
No, wait. Did you eat it?
No, this is mine. Yours somewhere else. I don't know where yours is.
No. Mine is right here.
Okay. Want to buy mine?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, did you make a jack-o'-lantern?
No, I made a city. I made a city, Zaza.
Oh. I forgot that I have this.
Zaza, you breaking up this sand and getting it on the floor.
Breaking it up? It's not broken. I thought you was talking about this.
No, I'm finna throw this in the trash, though.
Okay.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Now it looks cool. What's your favorite food? Something blue.
What's my favorite blue food? Blueberry muffins.
You just could say one thing.
See, that's what it is, a blueberry muffin.
You can't say something sweet. It's supposed to be only a fruit.
Oh, blueberries.
This cake.
What is that, Zaza?
This cake only has.
Man, what the hell is y'all yapping about?
What?
That's what I want to know.
Are you talking to me?
Alright, let me make sure all my shit is charging. So we're got charging. Chat, y'all trying to smoke with me? Chat, you trying to smoke with me, babe?
Yeah.
Chat, y'all trying to smoke with
all
me?
the people that I said to come over.
They say yes, yes, Chris. I've been waiting. Bring us. All right, I gotta roll up. I'm about to roll up right here. Zaza,
You got all the people to come over.
Zaza, see, the thing about that is
Mama said yes.
you have to plan a party.
We did.
You can't just start telling people to come over at 9 o'clock at night, cause it don't work like that.
We planned a party. We already planned.
Zaza, we trying to clean up. We is not trying to have no parties. We need to get clean.
We need to be a party. Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Bless you.
mind, baby.
Are you gonna burp for sister? Sister love you. Are you gonna burp? Are you gonna burp? Are you gonna burp? Are you gonna burp? Oh my gosh! That's so cool. Yay! Mama, look.
Hey!
Look at Mama.
I hear that burp, baby. Oh, wow. That's a perfect mold. That's nice, girlie. You want some more, baby? Or can I clip your nails now?
No! You said that while him drinking his bottle, you're gonna clip his nails.
Well, sadly, I can't do both at once.
You can break a promise.
All right, come on, baby. Let's get these nails.
Let's get these nails clipped. Let's get these nails clipped. Whoa! Mama, look.
Wait, just relax, baby. Baby.
What's wrong? I can hold his hand.
Baby booty, where are you? Baby booty, where are you? Here I am,
Wait, can we go to that place tomorrow? The place where I get my nails done?
Baby.
Come on, baby.
Let me do it, Isha.
Come on.
Baby boo, baby boo.
Come on.
Put it back in that bag. In that front part. Put it back in that bag in that front part. 3. Thank you very much.
They said we making EKane so much money just for Chris to spend it. Babe, you got them tripping.
Robert.
Baby boo, baby.
All right, so take it over there. Put this over there.
Baby boo, baby boo, baby boo. Are you having a phone call with your boss from work?
No, it's Germ. We wait on him to pull up so he'll get these bottles.
Baby boo, baby boo, baby.
Oh, God. I'm about to have to switch my Twitch to this phone.
Hey, let's go change your diaper.
Shit, what you thinking? Yeah.
Oh, y'all still see a toy on my stairs, little girl.
I need to get these damn headphones so I could multitask. It's hard to hold your phone, man. Do what needs to be done. Yeah, we finna make some burgers too. Well, I'm about to make some burgers.
But can we have a party?
Zaza, we've been having parties at my house for the past 4 days, girl.
No, we haven't.
Yes, we have.
No, we haven't. I want to have a party.
Girl, you turned out from them parties, girl. You need to take a
No,
break.
I'm not.
I think you should take a break.
I'm not turned up from party.
Zaza, take that over there, though. Chris, did you burn the brown outfit? Zaza, go over there with that. I see it. You're doing a good job, though. It's actually a perfect little mountain. But take
It's
it over
not
there.
a mountain.
Take it over there. Bro, this outfit is from 3 years ago. I got this outfit on a promo. Somebody sent me this and then told me to send me some money if I posted it. And I did that. You know what I mean? It's not no new outfit. Definitely ain't nothing new. Who the fuck is y'all to force me to wear some new shit to be on camera for y'all? I'm sorry, I'm not the one. Kazaya, take that sand over there before I take that sand to the trash. Please and thank you. Well, take it over there on that table. Thanks, little lady. Y'all say y'all fuck with the red fit?
I don't like you.
Well, what the hell ever. Since you don't like me, Kazaya, take that on that table over there. And since you don't like me, take your butt upstairs and you fix your own dollhouse. How about that? Oh, yeah. So go ahead and get it done.
Did you forget about my dollhouse?
Yep, I forgot all about it, and I'm not going to remember it either. Ain't nobody sent you shit else since then, huh? I mean, I had a couple other promos. I had hella promos, nigga. I'm promo king around this bitch. I just ain't needed to wear clothes for money. I ain't had to do that in a while. You get what I'm saying? But if you want me to help get your small business off the ground, if you would like me to help you get your small business up and running, shit, go ahead, DM me. I can help you. I can help you as well. You get what I'm saying? I can help you get your small business going as well. But no, I done got hella promo fits, bro. I done got hella promos. I done had promos from this company. I had promos from the Academy. I had promos from Iced Out by K. I had promos from M-Tap. Ooh, M-Tap was a good run. I ain't gonna lie. I had a good run with M-Tap. Let me see. Who else I had some promos from? I had promos from... I was like, why is you doing that? I had promos from... Oh, I had Ballers. Oh, I had promo from Big Dog Records. Can't forget Big Dog Records.
You didn't say hi to my brother.
Your brother, he ain't say hi to nobody.
Yes, I did.
Oh, hey, son.
Him already left.
What other promos have I had, bro? That's about like 8 right there. Shit. Oh, I had a couple shoe promos. Well, I had promos from Temu. Let's not forget Temu. They gave me all them Christmas decorations and shit. Yeah, I done had hella promos, man. How many promos you had though?
Baby boo, baby boo, where are you?
Hell no. Where you at though, bro? How long you gonna be? Alright, go ahead. Shit, go ahead. Just hit me back. Alright, for sure. Bet.
Can I please have this?
So, you rush to eat, girl.
I want it right now.
But then I just say you about to eat, so just wait.
Huh?
Did you get some black nail polish so you can paint my nails again?
I don't have any.
Go call Kaden and tell him to buy something here at the store.
I don't know where my phone.
Go tell your mama to do it. Hurry
You
up.
do it.
I'm doing something. I asked you to go over there. So go ahead and tell her to do that way at the store. So they come back with it before they leave the store because they're only getting a couple things. Zaza, why do I gotta keep saying the same stuff multiple times? Is you losing your mind or something? Go do what I said do and get on that table with that sand. It's all over the floor and I just swept it. Zaza, that is not no table. That is not no table. Take that shit to the table. And tell your mom to tell them to go get some black nail polish so you can paint my nails. You're losing your mind. You need to start watching YouTube for a week again. Now go tell your mom before they leave the store. Please and thank you. Why'd she say no? Zaza. Kazaya. Why did your mom say no? What did she say?
It's not in our budget. We're getting it on January.
It's okay, Zaza. I'll get some tomorrow, okay? Well, I might can get some later today. I just gotta make sure my other phone charged up. Oh damn. I'm about to go to the store anyway and get some black trash bags.
Why can't you just call Kaden? Yay!
Man, I'm hungry, man.
Man, I'm hungry.
Me too.
I'm going
They need to come on. Everybody needs diapers, but they ain't got no car. And live out of state. Like, what the hell? I don't get it.
Why can't they just walk?
That's what I'm saying. Why can't they just walk? Got me waiting to smoke and I quit. Got me wanting to smoke and I quit August 21st. You want to smoke with me?
Whoa.
Zaza,
What?
you be watching somebody named Nastia?
No.
You know who that is?
No.
Yeah, I'm finna cook.
Dada. Look it.
Oh, I got one of those.
You do? That's not the same.
They look the same.
This one is white, that one's red.
And I got this sucker. I think I'm gonna eat this one.
Jingle bells, jingle bells. If it had a wrapper and a tie, it would look the same.
Yeah, got a wrapper around it. No, she be watching some little white girls and they be like, no, I don't want to go to school.
No, I don't.
No, I don't want to eat my broccoli.
No, I don't.
And then it be this grown girl. She grown, but she be talking like a baby. She be like, no, I didn't want to wash my shit. Talking like a baby and shit. But then the thing is, they be saying, it be like they be throwing little slick shit in there. They be like, no, mom, I don't want to be pregnant. Like, whoa. First of all, why you even talking like that?
Dada, I only be watching Ben Adler and Royalty Family.
No, I'm talking about, that's what you watch on the TV. I'm talking about.
On my phone?
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
No, I don't. I don't even got those kinds of things on my phone.
They said, you watch somebody named Baby Doll?
Who is Baby Dale?
You know who Baby Doll is.
No, I do not. They're lying.
What about Zacchaeus?
Zacchaeus.
You know what that is?
No. I do not know
the
anybody who they're talking about. And I do not know.
What about Diana? Diana and Roma.
I do not know.
You don't know Diana and Roma?
Do they got wiggly hair and dreads?
Do they got dreads and wiggly hair? Yeah, she capping. She be watching all that shit. I be hearing it.
No, I don't.
And then the little shit my son be watching, they be saying stuff they don't need to be saying too.
I don't be watching that stuff.
Good. That's good that you don't.
Okay.
That's good that you don't, darling. What she say, do it, Zaza?
Bring the bottle.
It's already made?
Yeah.
Yeah, she watched K-Pop Demon Hunter. She know every song on that movie. Oh yeah, that one. Like if you love the devil, scroll if you want to go to heaven. Oh no, Jesus just got defeated by the devil. Like and subscribe if you want to go to heaven. Like, bro, I hate that shit, bro. I hate that shit, bro. Like, what is y'all even allowing? Yeah, she love those songs. Going up, 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 it's time and voices. Gonna be golden. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, the voices. Gonna be. Oh, yeah. I'm shining like I was born to be. We are hunters, voices golden.
Do you got one just like this with no wrapper? Do you got one just like this with no wrapper and an orange spoon?
No wrapper and an orange spoon, no. I don't. Sorry, my love, but I don't.
Wait, why'd you do this?
Man, I love Asia. Where the hell you been at? You just gonna secretly make a comeback like you ain't just been gone for months, though. We done had so many streams asking about you, wondering about you. And now you just in the comments talking about some, oh yeah, make sure they get some trash bags. Make sure they get some trash bags too. Nah, bring your ass to the stage. Where the hell have you been? Straight up.
We're going up, 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 it's our money. You know we're going, oh, up, 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 it's our up, it's our morning. I was too distracted on going, so I messed it up and peeled all the exit off. Oh gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! That better not be a scorpion.
Zaza, you watch the Prince family?
The royalty family.
Yeah, the royalty family. Y'all talking about them? Yeah, she watched them.
You haven't watched them. I watched them. You don't even know who the royalty family is. You don't even know Ferran, Andrea, Gucci, Me9, Blue, Princessa. You don't even know none of them.
Mm-mm.
Nope. Nobody in there you know. So how do you know royalty family?
They said they've been watching them.
I've been watching them too.
Ooh, hey, well, she been watching them too. She been watching them too. You know what? I better not hear you watching no more.
What?
Them videos that say, like if you love Jesus, scroll if you want to go to heaven. I don't want to hear you watching them videos no more, okay?
Okay.
Because them videos not good, okay?
But Jesus is.
Jesus is wonderful. But Jesus is not on YouTube, baby.
Mom.
Y'all got some black nail polish on y'all?
Black is a crazy color. But I love this.
She like, yeah, watching that tonight. Better not, you bro. And I'll see you back on this table again.
Dada, I know how to make something. What 400. I know how to make something. What 400. Want me to show you? Look. 4.
Just a thief.
I didn't steal. Bro.
You just be borrowing. Drop a nickel. There we go. Chris, you want a Monaco or a Cold
Hell yeah, I'll take a Monaco.
You said what? Why you spiking your lunch for?
Oh yeah, good looks, bro.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Is the meat for the burgers thawed out? Yeah, it's not frozen.
Well, they on your body. Y'all better stop. You'll get blocked.
They guys be tweaking. Oh yeah. We finna make these burgers.
I made an X-ray fish.
Oh, out of 400. You was dope. That was awesome, Zaza. She drew 400 and then made a fish around it. You did a good job, Zaza.
X-ray fish.
Good.
You said it was a show down earlier. I don't know if you want shut that shit up. No, I'm about to stay for a little bit.
Oh shit, damn it.